Folks, 22nd of Thursday, 8:50 a.m. and my plumbing is flooded, but this time my toilet and the floor. And I've actually got to go out. A pain in the ass. So yeah. And it flooded straight away as soon as I had a shower, so. Yep, plumbers again. It's 22nd, isn't it?
21st today, I think. Yeah. Oh, it might be 22nd. Yeah, 22nd.
22nd. What time is it?
2 o'clock.
2 o'clock p.m. Plumber guy's got the roots out. And you can see here, that's roots. Personal documentation. The plumber will do his own if he wants to get paid. And always, it stinks as always. But yeah. And you're lucky my shit's liquid, mate.
Yeah.
If it wasn't, you'd be in trouble.
They call it liquid gold, mate.
I don't have a large bowel, so it's always liquid.
Yeah.